Hey, let me ask you a question. Might you be caring for a loved one who has Alzheimer's and wondering how do you navigate estate planning for them? Look, it's a challenging journey, but you can still protect their well being with the right planning. So, today we're going to talk about essential estate planning tips for Alzheimer's families, if you will. Before I jump in, let me introduce myself real quick. My name is Bill O'Leary. I'm an attorney, and my firm is Legacy Planning Law Group in Jacksonville, Florida. And we focus on estate planning and probate trust administration and elder law. That's all we do. By the way, if you're looking for some more guidance on estate planning in the context of family members that have Alzheimer or other dementia, hit the like button and subscribe for more compassionate and informed legal advice. So, we're going to dive into this topic, and hopefully, you'll learn three things in this video. One, how estate planning for someone with Alzheimer's does really require proactive planning and a sensitive approach. Two, some of the steps and tips for families with an Alzheimer's loved one. And three, how thoughtful estate planning can truly provide peace of mind that your loved one's health and financial matters are well taken care of. So let's jump right in. Four essential estate planning tips for Alzheimer's families. Estate planning for a loved one who has Alzheimer's or other dementia, again, it requires a proactive and planning ahead mindset. Here are some of the key things to consider. Steps. One, start planning early. Start early. The earlier you start, the more your loved one can be involved in the process. Early planning will make sure that their wishes are clearly understood and documented. Number two, getting a power of attorney in place, a financial or durable power of attorney. Establish this. Get your loved one to establish this early. This allows a trusted family member or friend to make financial decisions when your loved one can't do so anymore themselves. Three, get a healthcare proxy or healthcare surrogate designation in place along with a living will. Sort of together, they're often referred to as advanced directives. A healthcare proxy and a living will are critical. They will basically designate someone to make medical decisions for your loved one if they do get to that point where they can't anymore. And it outlines your loved one's specific wishes for what kind of medical care or treatment they want, or if they don't want, if they're terminal, close to death, and again, they can't speak for themselves. Update your loved one's will and trust. Again, start early. Start early. Review and update their existing and if they don't have a will or a trust, get one in place. And what these documents do, these legal documents, they ensure that your loved one's wishes are clear, are laid out in writing, so there's no misunderstanding. And actually, between a will and a trust, a living trust is oftentimes a much better solution. Be happy to talk to you about that. Plan for long-term care. Explore the long-term care options, including long-term care insurance. Medicaid planning is another option. And how about caregiving arrangements? Understanding the costs and the financial requirements is very important. Eyes wide open. Be clear-eyed about it. Considerations about guardianship. It's possible that if you've not planned as well as you could have, or your loved one, that is, that you might find yourself having to go down the route of opening up a guardianship. So, in later stages of the disease, you may need to set up that guardianship in order to have the legal authority to make decisions on behalf of your loved one. Consult an attorney to better understand the guardianship process. And then finally, seek professional guidance. Consult with an elder law attorney who understands how this disease can really affect family relationships and impact the planning. I can tell you that getting this kind of help would provide invaluable guidance, and it will make sure that all of your sort of our ducks in a row. You've heard that term. Your affairs are in order. Caring for a loved one with Alzheimer's or dementia is challenging, but fear not. Thoughtful estate planning can provide peace of mind that your loved one's health and their care and financial matters are well taken care of. If you need some assistance with estate planning for a family member that has Alzheimer's or dementia, don't hesitate to reach out to us here at Legacy Planning Law Group. Okay. And do that by we make it easy for you. Go ahead and schedule a free 15-minute discovery call. Again, it's free. You'll be talking with one of our team members to get the conversation started. It's our discovery call. We sort of discover about you, you discover about us. And to schedule it, just click on the link that's appearing now in this video to pick the day and time that works for you. Hey, if you want some more tips on estate planning and elder care, remember to like this video if you can, share it with your friends. Better yet, subscribe to the channel and include your comments below in the comment box. So this is Bill O'Leary. I'm going to be signing off for now. Go make it a great day and a better world. And thanks for watching. We'll catch you on the next video.